All right, I'm clearly walking out. I see you grab something and you toss it. And I say, what are you doing? Are you really shoplifting in front of me?
I know.
And then you say, I need to put something down.
Yeah.
And then you continue to disobey lawful orders when I tell you to stop. That luckily, if my partner wasn't right here, we probably would have been on the ground or I would have tased you.
No.
September 2025. A deputy witnesses retail theft in real time while exiting a Walgreens. 4 legal issues. The direct observation probable cause standard. Florida's $100 retail theft threshold. The resisting charge confirmed on camera as independent of the theft value. And the Miranda timing question created by the detained, not arrested framing.
No, I didn't. I was putting this.
What did you throw over there?
That, he was putting the stuff
Can you
away.
check for me?
The thing. Put this down.
Do you guys have camera footage at all?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, where are you going?
Okay. Hey. Come over here. All right, stop. Come over here. Come over here. No, come over here. Please let me go. Please,
Hold on.
Wait,
I'm not gonna.
Please, wait, stop. I'm peeing. Wait,
Okay, hold on.
Please, I'm telling you, I'm peeing my pants right now. Please, Please, give me. I'll give you.
You're 1129 to Echo 226. Can you come out? I'm at the front of Walgreens 5000. I gotta.
I will give you everything.
Okay,
Please,
come.
We're not doing this.
Put your hands behind your back.
I will give you everything.
Okay.
I promise. I'm telling you, I will give you everything that I have.
I just saw her shoplifting in front of me. Tell them to
Wait, you're me.
Okay, drop that.
Wait, you can
Grab your hands.
Please,
Stay back.
Stay back. Please, I'm telling you, I'm gonna give you.
Echo 226. Okay.
That's what I'm trying
Put your hands behind your back. I'm not kidding right now. Put your hands behind your back.
Sorry.
Free wrap. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
They're behind my back.
You're resisting. You want to catch another charge?
No.
Right now you're being detained. I'm telling you right now, if you keep resisting, you're getting another charge. Sir, you're gonna go back there and stop. Walk away from us.
I didn't mean to.
Seriously.
I'm sorry.
I literally just saw you right in front of me, girl.
I got scared and then.
I know you did. God, now I'm here struggling.
No. Sorry, I'm not trying to struggle.
No, come on.
I really here. Sorry, here.
Put your hands like you're praying.
Okay.
Like you're praying. Jesus.
I'm so sorry.
You're lucky I didn't tase you.
No, I just got really scared. I'm sorry.
You're good.
I didn't mean to do that.
And you start walking away from me. I tell you to stop walking.
I'm sorry. I got really scared. And then I'm to put everything down.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No. Oh, I have a knife in my belt pocket.
Do you have any dope on you?
No, man. No, I have nothing like that.
What did you take from the? Hold on.
It's
I'm gonna read you your rights.
Is it this makeup?
Yes, I have makeup in my pocket. I'm so sorry. I really need. Really, I would like to do anything, but
And these mints are not?
They're mine. They're mine.
You don't have any drugs or anything that's gonna poke me, right?
No, ma'am. No drugs.
Can you go over there? Appreciate it.
No drugs.
Yeah, grab your bike. How are you?
Sorry, y'all.
No, you're good.
I'm so sorry. Oh, take the bathroom.
I'm gonna read you your rights really fast, all right?
Oh my gosh, please.
Doesn't mean you're arrested right now. You're just detained because you're not free to leave, okay?
Okay, I'm so
I mean,
sorry.
but you also, when a deputy is telling you stop walking, you don't walk away, okay?
I'm so sorry.
With that being said, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now at any time during questioning. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have any attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. You understand these rights? With these rights in mind?
Yes.
All right. I'm clearly walking out. I see you grab something and you toss it. And I say, what are you doing? Are you really shoplifting in front of me?
I know.
And then you say, I need to put something down.
Yeah.
And then you continue to disobey lawful orders when I tell you to stop. That luckily, if my partner wasn't right here, we probably would have been on the ground or I would have tased you.
No.
What did you shoplift?
I have makeup in my pocket.
Did you pee yourself?
I did, yes.
Urinated on yourself?
No.
Are you on probation?
No.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Oh, like when I was like 17 or 18. but
Okay, so these are the only things you
So
saw.
is that makeup item as well the same BB something?
In my pockets.
Florida Statute Section 812 200.015 defines retail theft as the concealment or taking of merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant of its value. When a law enforcement officer personally witnesses the act, no further investigation is required. Direct observation constitutes immediate, complete probable cause, eliminating every procedural defense that typically applies to tip-based or surveillance-reliant detentions. The officer in this footage is simultaneously the arresting deputy and the only eyewitness, the most legally clean position in retail theft enforcement. Florida Statute Section 812.014 classifies theft by value. Under $100 is a second-degree misdemeanor maximum, 60 days. At $100 or more, it becomes a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year. The store's on-camera statement, "If it's under $100, trespass. If it's over, you're going to jail," is a real-time illustration of this threshold applied in practice. The items tallied on camera approach and likely exceed that line. The resisting charge is the most legally definitive outcome in this footage. The deputy confirmed it on camera. "We gotta take her for resisting anyways." Under Section 843.02, verbal refusal to comply with a lawful order is resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. Active physical bracing and pulling raises the analysis to Section 843.01, resisting with violence, a third-degree felony. The charge exists independently of and regardless of the retail theft value. The voluntary knife disclosure at the 2-minute mark creates separate exposure under Florida Statute Section 790.01, which prohibits carrying a concealed weapon without a license. The charge classification depending on blade length and type. The question that elicited the disclosure was asked before Miranda was administered. It is protected by the public safety exception from New York versus Quarles, which permits officers to ask about weapons without prior advisement when there is an immediate officer safety concern. Before reading Miranda, the deputy stated, "You're just detained, you're not free to leave." Under Berkemer versus McCarty, custody attaches when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave, not when an officer uses the word arrested. With the subject physically restrained and a second deputy present, she was in custody by every objective measure. Pre-Miranda statements responsive to direct questioning other than the weapon disclosure, which falls under Quarles carry suppression risk.
That's what I have on me, and it's because I just...
What are you reaching for in your
sorry, I'm
waistband?
trying to give you the makeup that I have, yeah.
This is okay.
Because, like, I literally moved here and start over
I know, but
my whole life, and I'm so sorry that I did that, and I'm, like, really... I just got really scared.
You got really scared?
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
So this and this?
And I'm...
This and
I'm
this?
so sorry, yeah.
What else?
That's what I'm saying. No, whatever is on me.
That's it? Okay, where's your driver's license?
I don't have it. It's not...
You don't have a license?
I do have a license.
She has a debit card over here.
Yeah, I do have a debit card. I'm so sorry.
I'm good. I appreciate it. Oh. Kind of. So, I was thinking... Oh, we got the whole crew here.
Yeah, it sounded like something Randy was going on.
No, so I was leaving the bathroom and I started putting stuff in my waistband and then just tossing it. I was just gonna go pee and then go call. And then I was like, "Are you really shoplifting in front of me?" And I'm trying to stop walking and she starts walking. She was waiting for me in the car, so that's why I got on the radio for her to come out because I'm trying to grab her and she's actively pulling, bracing, pushing.
Okay.
She urinated on herself, so she was very scared. I haven't spoken with Walgreens at all yet because it kind of all happened real quick.
Okay.
Didn't want to press any charges about it.
Okay.
And that's where I'm at right now.
Okay. All right.
Thank you for coming quick. So let me go talk to them inside of there. Let me take on yourself. I haven't spoken.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
What else is down here?
It's
You have more
makeup.
stuff down here?
Yeah, it's makeup. If it didn't come out of my pocket, yeah. Then it would just be makeup. I'm so sorry. That's something like I really need to not get in trouble.
I'm just getting more makeup items that are shoved.
Stuff?
Yeah.
What's your first name?
It's Mia.
Mia?
M-I-A. Yeah, it's on my debit card.
M-I-A. And your last name?
It's Richardson.
R-I.
C-H-A-R-D-S-O-N.
And what's your date of birth?
It's 4/27/89.
4/27/89. Where's your current address?
Okay, so right now I'm at 212 Daytona Avenue.
Who was that guy that you were with?
That's my ex.
Okay, is he still here?
I'm sure he would wait to see
212 Daytona Avenue?
Flag would be, yeah. Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. I mean, she scared the hell out of me because I heard her on the radio and I got out of the car. Yeah, I was just sitting in the car waiting for her to come out from the bathroom.
Once I heard that, I was like, oh.
I heard the radio and hurry up and got out of the car. I'm like, that's lip tap. All right, so that's all the items that.
Yeah.
I was working up there. She wanted to press some charges for the items and see if they have video footage. I'm going to run her.
Yeah.
And then this one. That is mine. Yeah, this stuff is mine. It's right from right there.
So these are.
Yeah. That's from here, yes.
Yeah, is that your real name? M-I-A?
Hyphenated.
What is your name?
So it's Mia hyphen.
Where's your debit card?
It's right underneath there.
Do you have a middle name?
Yeah, I do have a middle name. I
What's
have
your middle
a few middle names, but it's Mia, Alexa, Janet, Wyndham, Elizabeth, Richardson. It's super long.
And you said you have a driver's license in Florida?
Yes, I do.
Mia, Alexa, Janet Richardson, and your date of birth is 4/27/89?
Yeah,
Okay.
I just got my license like a couple days ago.
Okay.
I'm sure he would know that. I don't know, maybe.
Oh, is that all?
Yes.
He wants to see all this stuff first. If it's under $100, I'm just trespass. If it's over, then I guess you're going to jail. So
I'll bring it inside and show you. So these are all the items that I found on her person.
Okay.
I don't know what they will total or.
It's 10. No, it's only 4. It's 15. That's a 20. 33 is 47.
The mail, if it's totaled over 100, they want to
Yeah.
charge her. If not, the mail that's in that red tank top kept coming around the corner. I told him to stay away just in case if he's over there.
Yeah. There's a couple that are definitely over like $15 in there, so yeah, it's close enough to where I'd probably do it.
If you want to press, I mean, that's
Yes,
fine. We can.
If you guys can, that helps us because
Yeah.
we got to take her for resisting anyways.
Okay.
And so when they see it without a normal charge,
Right.
then
Yeah.
it kind of loses its. They're like, okay, well, she was
Nah.
fighting you, but we're like, well, she was leaving with the stuff, so the deputy
Yeah.
did what she should do. So
Is there any way you can do an itemized receipt of these?
Yeah, I can do that. Take these over one register. So.
Okay, thank you.
yep, make sure you get whoever's name you for the victim. Thank you, gentlemen. I appreciate it.
Just good to go to the back.
Yeah, just grab my 2 quarters.
You grab her 2 quarters real quick.
Oh, I guess we don't have really flex
This is her
dollars,
stuff.
right?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, where are we going? This way?
Going on the right or on the left?
Right.
You have to go butt in first, okay? Just watch your head. You good?
And I can get a phone number out of the phone before. Did you find did it have my whole name on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
The subject was arrested on the resisting charge confirmed on camera as definite. The retail theft charge depends on the itemized receipt total from the store. The knife disclosure creates additional weapon charge exposure. Case disposition is unknown at time of analysis. The deputy receives an A-. Real-time response to a witness theft required immediate improvisation with no backup in position. Miranda was administered before post-encounter questioning. The itemized receipt request reflects sound evidentiary instinct. 2 deductions. The detained, not arrested framing before Miranda creates avoidable suppression complexity. And, "You're lucky I didn't tase you," is a statement better left unspoken in a professional encounter. The subject receives a D. Retail theft in direct view of an on-duty deputy eliminated every procedural buffer that typically exists between a theft incident and a criminal arrest. Physical resistance converted a misdemeanor theft into a definite resisting charge, carrying its own penalties regardless of what the merchandise totals. The knife added a 3rd charge exposure. Genuine remorse and full cooperation after restraint are credited. 3 takeaways. First, Section 812.014's $100 threshold is a real charging decision point. Below it, stores may opt for trespass only. Above it, criminal prosecution follows. Second, resisting a lawful detention is an independent criminal offense. Once physical resistance begins, the charge exists regardless of whether the original arrest holds. Third, under Berkemer, detained, not arrested, does not define the Miranda custody threshold. Not free to leave equals in custody. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.